So today our aim is to figure out whether or not V.S. Naipaul's view of Islamic imperialism is accurate. So superstars will be able to defend or refute V.S. Naipaul's view of Islamic imperialism by reading primary and secondary sources about the Islamic world from 1200 to 1450. And then we'll end class by completing an SAQ, which are those short answer questions. So we've done a little review of China. We've done this opening regarding V.S. Naipaul's opinions, and we're going to talk a little bit about this lecture. So I'm going to frame what we're doing. In the Islamic world from 1200 to 1450, it was quite different than in China. Whereas China, we saw political unity through dynasties, one emperor ruling. There was political fragmentation, fragments meaning different dynasties or sultanates forming in the Islamic world. Despite political fragmentation, Islam still spread. Islam was able to spread, as you can see in this map, across northern Africa to parts of Spain and Cordoba, to other parts of the Middle East, and to India. So our big question is how, why, and how did it spread? And are the methods that were used in defense of what V.S. Naipaul is saying, or do they completely refute it? So as you guys watch this video on the next page, my ask is that you write down these notes in your notebook. So you're listening for in the video, Islam in India, Islam in West Africa, and then the last thing are the innovations that Muslims brought to those that they conquered, namely the economic innovations, the technology, and the culture. So during 1200, 1450, if like the Mongols are considered the muscle of this time period, the Muslims and the Chinese are truly seen as the brains. Muslim and the Muslim world at this point in time was the center of innovation, of science, of technology, of literature. And so I want you guys to think about that as you dive into this video and you take your notes.